today's video, we are going to learn again the wildcard with examples. So yesterday we understand the basic, the how to use the asterisk sign, question mark, and a drill with simple examples, right? Now today we understand the again the different data set, wildcards, and the beginner to advanced level in this one video. Okay, so let's start with today's video and let's focus it. So here the first where we understand our data. So ID column, product code, and you can see the product code different ways. Okay, so here I use the asterisk sign, question mark, tilde. So with different product code, so we can practice on building product name, categories, salesman, person name, quantity, and price. Okay, so let's start the today video beginner to advanced wildcard function examples. So first asterisk sign. Asterisk sign what does match any number of characters. Character and word, what is the difference? So simple, this is the word camera. The character is here the six. CAMERA. These are the characters. Hope you are aware about the difference between the word and character. Okay, so this is the uh, character. So asterisk sign match any number of the character. Okay, now the asterisk sign the working from the starting from and ending from. Okay, so asterisk sign how does suppose the count how many product start with camera. Here the product name, how many product start with camera. So how you can find. So here we use how many means simple count. Okay, count if. Here we use range. So select this first and control shift down arrow, comma. The second criteria is say the criteria what our is criteria. So double quotation and here we use the type the camera and asterisk sign. Here we use double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see the answer is 4. So camera lens, camera stand, starting from. Okay, so this is the asterisk sign. I'm talking about the asterisk sign. I'm talking about this. Okay, so don't be confused. So starting and second way is the ending. So here again I use the count if function. Okay, and select this range. Control shift down arrow, comma. And this time I give the criteria, the double quotation. Here use the first asterisk sign and type HP, double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter. And this is the your answer. So here what use the HP. So you can see the HP monitor HP. So HP monitor, HP printer, okay, HP laptop. So you can count it. Okay, so this is the asterisk sign. Now we're talking about the next wildcard is the question mark. So question mark, what does match one single character? Asterisk sign any, any. Okay, and question mark wildcard is the single character. Okay, so don't be confused. Let's practice by example. So here I use the count if again and select this range the product code. Control shift down arrow, comma. And here I use the double quotation DES question mark 002 double quotation cross parallel and enter. And here you can see the answer is 2. So here DES 002. Okay, this is the same. Okay, so you can the use the question mark with this way. Next, tilde. So I'm talking about the tilde. Okay, so how we can use. So this is the tilde sign, the shift, and this is the tilde sign. Okay, how to use? So here we use with the again tilt. Always remember the tilt work only when in your data in the asterisk sign a question mark. Otherwise, tilt is uh, don't use. Okay, tilt only work with the special characters, asterisk sign, and question mark. Simple. Okay, and till always the give the one word to something the escape. Simple. Okay, so till is help to escape special character asterisk sign, yeah, question mark. Okay, so here I the count if function. Count if function here used. Okay, select this range. So here we have the range, comma criteria. So here we give the criteria mm, DES and tilt and 001 double quotation and close parenthesis. And by the way, I am missing something the asterisk sign. Yeah, I forget it. So asterisk sign we need to use. Okay. Okay. So and now tilde. So this is the tilde. Okay, so how tilde always remember is verb only with the asterisk sign, yeah, question mark, and you can give the tilde escape word. Escape. Use the escape, the special character. Okay, hope you understand. Now the let's consider of the advanced with some functions. So here we use sum equal sum if function. Sum if function, I want to sum what? So I want suppose the sum price of all items whose names start with mobile. Start with mobile. Okay, start with mobile. So range. First range where is the our range. So product name. I select this simple comma. Now give the criteria. So what I said start with mobile. So double quotation type mobile asterisk sign double quotation comma and some range. What is the always is value. Select this column cross parenthesis and hit enter. And this is your sum. Okay, so this is the practice of the sum if function. You can use the sum if with this way. Okay, so what is the total? We got the total starting from mobile. Okay, let's. If you want to the filter with the asterisk, so how you can filter function how? So here we can use the filter and equal filter function, okay, and range. So here I select this range, again this product column, comma, I want to filter. So here I use the each number function, each number, okay, value. So here I value for the search function I add. Okay, so here search the first position of the string found in the text, ignore the case. Okay, now here I the give the monitor, and here use the asterisk sign, double quotation, okay, comma, and select again the this column, product column, control shift down arrow, and three times the parentheses, because filter each number search three function we use, so that's why the filter parentheses three times we are added, and this is the your result. Okay, now let's understand the if function. With if function equal, if function we use and logical expression. So I want to count if. You can give the condition. Okay, so here I want to do the product code start with the LAP. Here LAP. I see here LAP. Okay, so I want, so here I give the first the logic. Okay, comma, double quotation, and here I type the LAP, and this time we use the question mark wildcard. Okay, so I here the question mark, and we can use the asterisk sign as well. Okay, double quotation, cross parenthesis, comma, double quotation, match found, double quotation, okay, and comma, not match, double quotation, cross parenthesis, and hit enter. And this is your the result. But if this is error, okay, the error, because I forget the double quotation and cross parenthesis and hit enter. And this is the answer is the not match. Okay, so if function how does work with the question mark, so you can use. So keep remember the asterisk sign any character, and match anything from the starting from, yeah, ending from. Okay, and if your second wildcard is the question mark single character, and match extract the length pattern, extract the length pattern. And if you have the you want to the escape with TDL, so TDL function the use the search your yeah search data with the asterisk sign, yeah, question mark, okay, with special character. So this is the our practice, and now the remaining the two function we practice. VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP how does work? Equal VLOOKUP function. Search key, yeah, you can say the lookup value. Okay. See here I gave the lookup value the camera, and asterisk sign here I use double quotation, comma, and where is the camera? So camera is the our C column, simply select this, and I select this range. Hmm. shift and down arrow. Okay. And index. Index is the return value. So what is the our return value? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want the price. So 5, comma, and you can type the false. Yeah, type 0 and hit enter. And this is your answer. Hope you understand how does work. So what we did, the find the price of the product whose name start with camera. Okay. Here the one problem is the multiple the product name, so that's why it take only first. Okay, if I remove, so then it says the 5,000. So sometimes data is set, but I just trying to understand with example to you how you can use. Okay, so this is, and last is the X lookup function how you can use. So here X lookup function and equal X lookup function. I love it that this function. It's so easy and you can use without any trouble. So here mobile asterisk sign double quotation comma the C column, select this. You don't need to select the entire table. In VLOOKUP, we need to select the table range, and here the XLOOKUP in only lookup range. This is the difference. Okay. Result range, here you can say the return value, so simply select this range. Okay. Comma, double quotation, note, found, double quotation, comma, and match mode is 2. If you want to check the match mode, so match mode you can check it out in the Microsoft 365. There the clearly mentioned match mode, the one, minus one, two. Okay, so you can check it out. And two is for the wildcard match mode. Okay, so this is the so simple. Close pencil and hit enter, and this is your answer. So 25,000 is the return the first match mobile Samsung. Where is the mobile Samsung? Is this here. Okay. So we understand the asterisk sign, question mark, and the terrain. How to use is basic to advanced and advanced functions. So some may filter if we look up and XLOOKUP we generally use and we practice in Excel. And by the way, I'm using the we practice on the Google Sheet. So it will be different from the Microsoft Office 365. So don't worry, it's the almost the same. Okay, so that's about this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. It's the same next video. And if you have any query about the Wi-Fi related, so please write in comment below. We will solve together. Thank you.